Oh yeah, summertime and the living is easy. Take a look at this, folks. 2022 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack 392. This is a pre-owned vehicle, new to our inventory here, finished in fate green on black interior and those gorgeous 20 by 10 inch wheels and that wide body kit. This thing looks phenomenal. Intelligent key access. You've of course got your black Alcantara and leather Scat Pack seating, heated and ventilated of course. That 8-speed automatic also allows for launch control in different drive modes. 8.4-inch Uconnect display has your performance pages already ready to go. Adaptive cruise, paddle shifters, and of course, what are you gonna do with those paddle shifters? Well, you're gonna row your own in this 485 horsepower, 475 pound-foot of torque, 6.4 liter V8. These are of course discontinued now, folks, so if you're looking for your opportunity to own one, this is it. Give us a call, 403-625-4555, and arrive in style.